10 benefits of cumin. Cumin, a spice derived from the seeds of the Cuminum ciminum plant, is a staple in many cuisines around the world. Known for its warm, earthy flavor, cumin is also packed with nutrients and offers a variety of health benefits. In this article, we'll explore the top 10 benefits of incorporating cumin into your diet. 1. Aids in digestion. Cumin is well known for its digestive benefits. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve digestion and reduce issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Cumin is also effective in relieving nausea and stomach discomfort. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Cumin is a powerful source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. 3. Supports weight loss. Cumin has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat burning, making it a helpful addition to a weight loss regimen. Its ability to regulate blood sugar levels also helps control appetite and prevent overeating. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cumin can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It improves insulin sensitivity and helps maintain stable blood glucose levels. 5. Promotes heart health. Cumin supports heart health by helping to lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and increase HDL, good, cholesterol. It also has blood pressure lowering effects, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Boosts immune system. Cumin is rich in iron, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients that strengthen the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties also help protect the body from infections and illnesses. 7. Improves respiratory health. Cumin has expectorant properties that can help relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and asthma. It aids in clearing mucus from the airways, making breathing easier and providing relief from congestion. 8. Enhances skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of cumin make it beneficial for skin health. Cumin can help fight off skin infections, reduce signs of aging, and improve overall skin texture. 9. Promotes bone health. Cumin is a good source of calcium and other minerals that are essential for maintaining strong bones. Regular consumption of cumin can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of bone-related issues such as osteoporosis. 10. Detoxifies the body. Cumin has natural detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body by supporting liver function and aiding in the elimination of toxins. This contributes to overall health and well-being. Cumin is a versatile spice that can be easily incorporated into your diet, whether in soups, stews, or as a seasoning for various dishes. Its numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any healthy eating plan.